One of the easiest ways to create presentation or lecture-style content in Engage is with spatial recordings. Simply start a recording and Engage captures everything that happens during your session, including your movements, voice, presentations, videos, and any 3D content you interact with. Once recorded, the experience can be played back exactly as it happened in real time, or further refined and customized using our Experience Editor. Here's an example of a spatial recording being played back in real time within the platform.
We've loved our cats so much that there are now about 400 million cats worldwide. So they are present throughout the entire globe, apart from the polar regions. So over here. How did they get to all these places? Well, cats were extremely popular with sailors, so people would take cats on board their ships just to get